Don't be out here fighting, that's ugly. But if you got plans to fight, you're going to have to tack this down, baby, because this is coming off. I'm telling you. This is coming off. You feel me?
This is getting snapped.
So don't be out here with no drama. Don't have no drama in your life where you got to fight all the time, especially if you're going to wear this wig. Don't do that. Come on now, give me some.
Give me something I can feel. Let me know this way gets real.
Baby, 30 inches? What? Sometimes I'll just be doing stuff. Oh, that might be cute though. 13 by 4 T part, which means we only have that one part. If you want a side part, you're going to have to slide the whole wig to the side. Huh? Waves and crimps. And curls. Okay. Waves, crimps, and curls. Now, this one was $32, so you better do something. Oh, but at least it doesn't have that hard part at the top. Look, guys. It's a real part. Yeah, this is long, y'all. But you can always cut it. You probably gonna cut it anyway. When it's synthetic and real long like that, you eventually gonna cut it anyways. It's roomy too, y'all. La, tap down. Watch out now. Let me slide this comb in here, honey. This is very roomy. You know. Yeah, this is dope, y'all. This is real easy to do. Put a little volume up here though. It's a little limp right there. It's a little limp. I ain't even had to cut this lace to take it to the place. Huh? I didn't even have to cut this lace to take it to the place. And you know that. Oh my goodness. Let me cut this lace real quick. Yeah, I like this. I ain't gonna hold you. It's synthetic in the mud, but I like it. I get a couple wears out of it. Definitely some good pictures, for sure. Now, it's if you real aggy about your lace being pre-plucked, you're gonna have to go in there and plug some more. I'm gonna tell you like that. They did enough just to get you started, put it in a box and say ship it. That's it, that's all. Put a little dab of your foundation on here, yes. And you in this, honey, look what I just did. This is why I don't do this on my hand. This is why right here. Honey, I done took that whole little front peak off. That's right. It's still over there in a special way. It's got a little shine. It's right on the edge of ignorant shine. But it's not there yet. It's not there. Ooh, when you comb through it, look at those white. That's pretty. Y'all, that's pretty. And they have different colors. Look. And I didn't even have to put any of the foundation on there. It's just sitting. Let me use the other comb because it's just getting on my nerves with the little one. You need big one. Oh. This is not bad at all. Don't be out here fighting, that's ugly. But if you got plans to fight, you're going to have to tack this down, baby, because this is coming off. I'm telling you. This is coming off. You feel me?
This is getting snapped.
So don't be out here with no drama. Don't have no drama in your life where you got to fight all the time, especially if you're going to wear this wig. Don't do that. Y'all, I have no problem with this. I have no problem with this wig. Hold on, I like it better side though. Slay. You see? After you've done all you can, sometimes you just gotta stand and let the Lord do it. I like it when you put that wig on me. Hey, y'all be putting on wigs and they be like, if you got a big forehead, put this on. It's gonna cover up most of your forehead and make it look like you got. Child, my forehead still be big. I be like,
there's somebody lying.
y'all know I just did that Legos hairline and I just knew that I was finna cover up a lot of my forehead. My forehead was still big. I said, now how you had forehead just as bright? Ooh, there we go. This whole time the part just wasn't doing right. It was doing right, but something was feeling off. I just had it positioned wrong. Sometimes it can be wrong but strong. Baby, I can just line it to the side. You got different color options. It's pocketbook friendly. Come on now. Wear it to the middle or to the side with pride. I'm calling it a slay. What y'all calling it? I like this wig.